Video, I'll provide you with a quick guide as to how to screenshot someone's BeReal without them knowing. So let's launch BeReal. And as you can see here, if you'd screenshot someone's BeReal, they would automatically be notified. So how to go about screenshotting someone's BeReal without them knowing. So let's say I wanted to screenshot this individual's BeReal. So what I would recommend you to do is to load up the BeReal. Then you'd need to turn off your data. So once you've turned off your data, you could simply take the screenshot. And after taking the screenshot, close out of the app. Then you need to long press and click on app information. So once you're in app information, you would need to click on storage. Then you need to click on clear cache and clear data. So let's clear cache and let's clear data. And basically force stop this application. So what this will do is it will allow you to screenshot. However, it will not transmit that screenshot through the servers. So in doing this, you need to clear cache, clear data, and you're good to go. The screenshot has been saved to your device. So you could simply turn on your data and then sign back into BeReal and you're good to go. So that is basically a quick guide as to how to take screenshots on BeReal. So as you can see here, it is prompting us with the login screen. So you need to just continue and sign back into your account. So if this was helpful, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Hacker 007 out.